Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with all the new pins from your favorite creators on Pinterest, enabling push notifications for their latest pins is the way to go. With the new update on the Pinterest app for PC, setting this up is quick and straightforward. Let me guide you through the simple steps to never miss a fresh idea or inspiration from the creators you follow. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged into your account, look to the left side menu where you'll find a gear icon. This represents your settings. Click on that gear icon to access your Pinterest settings. Next, in the settings menu, find and select the notifications option. This is where you control what alerts Pinterest sends you about new activity on the platform. Scroll down to the section labeled Activity from Creators. Here you'll see an option titled New Pins from Creators You Follow. To start receiving push notifications, simply enable the in-app option for this feature. This ensures that whenever a creator you follow posts a new pin, you will get notified directly inside the Pinterest app. Finally, don't forget to click Save to make sure your changes are applied. And that's it. By enabling these notifications, Pinterest will keep you in the loop with fresh content from your favorite creators, so you're always inspired and ready to explore new ideas the moment they appear. Enjoy staying connected and happy pinning.